We'll be going over how to add doors, door groups, and devices to doors, as well as basic door configuration in BioStar 1. First, click on Doors in the shortcut pane. You can either add a door by right-clicking on Doors and selecting Add Door, or by selecting Add New Door in the task pane. You can add a name and description to your door. Click Apply to save your settings. To add a door group, right-click Doors, select Add Doors Group, and name your group. To add a door to a group, select the door and drag it into the group. Select Yes. To add a device to your door, right-click on your door in the Doors pane and click Add Device. Select the device that you want to add. Click OK. Doors can be configured under the Details tab. To select which device's ports to use the I/O device drop-down menu. Under Door Relay, select Relay 0 unless you are using a secure I/O. If you are using one, watch our video on how to configure a secure I/O. To determine which wire to use for the door relay, please refer to the installation guide of your device. Links to installation guides of Suprema readers can be found in the description. For example, since I am using a bioentry W, I will use the green wire with white stripes, and either the orange wire with white stripes or the gray wire with white stripes, based on my type of maglock or strike. In the Exit button drop-down, you can select which input to use for the Exit button. Please refer to the installation guide to determine which wires to use. In my case, the purple wire is the correct wire. Make sure to select the correct switch type based on the polarity of your maglock or door strike. If you aren't using an Exit button, you can select Disable from the drop-down menu. You can use the Unlock Time or Lock Time menus to select times at which doors will be always locked or always unlocked. The door open period is how long the door will stay unlocked after it is unlocked by a user, and the door open alarm is how much time will pass before an alarm goes off if the door is held open. If this value is set to 0, the alarm will never go off. Click Apply to save your settings.